Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Calls. I'm going to do an unboxing of the OnePlus Pad 2. Now, I really like the OnePlus Pad 1. Great device, still sort of my daily driver for a tablet. So here we go. Same kind of tablet, better chip this year, a little more AI built into it, and yeah, let's unbox it and just show you what we got inside. Now, they did say that this model that I got as a review doesn't come with the chargers, so I think you might be on your own for that, but it might just be my review unit, so we'll see. But if you've got chargers out there, this is USB-C, so you should be fine. Okay. All right. Put that aside for the time being. What have we got in here? Quick little instruction manual. Cord, USB A to C, so that's if you got one of those Super VOOC chargers, that'll do that. A little bit of paperwork in there. Nothing super exciting. I think that's it. So, yeah, okay. Good to see. Let's take a look at this tablet itself. So under 700 bucks. I think it's on sale right now for $689. It's a heck of a deal for a tablet with this size. And I think this is, what size did I get in terms of storage wise? It's gonna have 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. So plenty of storage. 256 is not bad. It's like 512, but that, tablet, you're not really doing a lot of storage on it. Maybe downloading. Okay, so we've got our spot for our stylus to rest. Now, it's a little off center from before. It's over here now. We got a volume rocker. It's got a nice little bump out. We've got power button there. Bunch of more spaces for speakers. USB-C charging there. And there's your pogo pins for the case. So I'm looking forward to seeing how the case works. A little bit different in the fact that it's got the kick-out stand in the back of the case that's with. But yeah, okay, so I'm going to play around with it. I'll give you my thoughts in the next little while. You let me know what you think. If you have any questions, shoot away.